Yeah.
Like that?
Yes. It's only got like 3 points.
Aaron, hurry up.
Yeah. Badminton. Yay, point for me. No. Yeah. No. She hit it and didn't cross the net, so. Mommy, did it count? Yes, it did. Point for me. Point for me. You owe me 2 points.
Be quiet.
Point for Sally.
She doesn't mention my point.
Point for Sally.
No point for Mommy.
Point for Sally. That was a dead throw.
Well, it literally
Point for Sally. Point for Sally.
It's a foul when you have obstruction. Not when I do.
Point for Sally.
Yay! When that hits,
In the trees.
you owe me 2 points. You're gonna write it down. Battle on.
Extendo pole.
Look at me. Look at me, Daddy. Look at me.
Yeah, well, let's see.
I can do this. Woo.
Ooh, I can do this. Ooh.
Woo.
That one is out of balance. I know
What? Lisa?
I do the sound effects.
Like when I hit it, it'll be like whoosh.
Okay, so it'll be like,
Ready?
so like if it's a good
Nope.
one,
Back to the game.
means
No.
No, point for Sally.
Out.
Oh, because you hit it out.
No, it was out.
Aaron cheats a lot. She likes to cheat. Big cheater.
and she keeps on saying, point!
Oh.
You owe me a point. Write it down. Write it down. Oh no. Oh no.
Point for Sally.
Write that point down. No. That is so out.
Okay.
What's that noise? What is that noise, Elisa?
Wave,
A what?
away.
A wave.
Point for me. Did you write that fifth point down?
Ready?
Yeah.
No. No, it's not written. Yay.
Yeah, point went on the deck is a point for Lisa.
Point for Mom.
Whiff. Whiff. Double whiff.
Yay.
Yeah, that's a point for Mom.
You. I don't concentrate when I'm laughing. Ugh. Yay.
Oh, I don't know how Sally puts up with it. Bink. Bink. And out of bounds. Point for Mom.
No. No point. Those are foul points. Yeah.
That's a point for Mom.
Yeah. Point for me. Oh no. Oh no. No. That did not count. It did not touch the ground.
Of course not. It's Aaron's rules.
Yeah, that counts.
Aaron's rules.
Elisa, give me a point. Yes! No, that's out of bounds. Why did you hit it over there?
Well, I'm about done.